We're live from Chevy Chase.
Welcome back. It's time for some Wednesday Wisdom with Peterson Law Office.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
We are here with Justin Peterson of the Peterson Law Office, and today we're talking about what our recovery options are when we're injured in a car accident.
Let's talk.
God forbid we are in a car accident,
Right.
but if we
Hopefully
are,
never, yes.
and we're injured,
Yes.
who gets the first call? Do you go get the doctor involved, or do you get the attorney involved?
Sure.
I'm calling my husband right away. That's like the first person.
Definitely. Call your husband first.
Yeah.
I mean, it really depends on the injury. I mean, some people don't have a choice, right? We're in these
Right.
tragic, terrible accidents. They have to be removed from the scene via EMS. We do like to be involved early and often to complete investigations and things of that nature, but certainly get medical help first, way before you call an attorney. But just, be mindful of that. The really hard thing is I will go to the hospital and sign people up from time to time, usually several times a month. And wow, those are hard conversations because they've been through so much.
Yeah.
And what we're trying to do is take the weight off their shoulders because they're already dealing with a massive injury, potential for lost wages. Their minds are on a million things. How is this going to affect our life? Let us take the rest of that.
And this is why I feel like it's important for spouses and loved ones to pay attention, because sometimes the person who's been injured is not in their right frame of mind, and so people around them have to be good about knowing what to do.
It affects the whole family. And what we see with pain is pain changes people. It makes them removed. It can make them depressed, and it absolutely affects the whole family situation. So when we talk about helping people, we're talking about helping the whole family get through this process for sure.
Right.
So when it comes to treatment options, is the person that's injured allowed to pick who they want to go to and that kind of thing?
Oh, absolutely. And all of that's going to be doctor driven. If you need a specialist, your family doctor is going to send you to a specialist, right? If you're going through chiropractic treatment, people usually like to continue that chiropractic treatment or physical therapy or whatever. But all the medical stuff, that's going to be determined by your medical providers. And then we're going to talk about the legal implications of how these things occur. What we try to tell everybody, though, is treat. If you put a bunch of time in between the accident date and your treatment, the insurance company is going to argue that this treatment's related to something else, not the accident.
Right. So my mom was involved in a hit and run. She was a walker. She used to work at UK, and she was walking, and someone hit her, and they left the scene. And so she didn't know if she should start paying for her medical bills and just dealing with the legal stuff later. What is your advice with it?
No, get us involved early, because there may be multiple layers of coverage available. So like if she has her own car insurance, we can go after her own PIP. Which is personal injury protection, which is going to pay the first $10,000 of medical or lost wages. And then she can go after her own what's called uninsured motorist coverage when she's hit by that driver. We don't know they have insurance, so you turn back to your own insurance for that.
Okay, that's very
Good
interesting.
advice.
Yeah, and you all are so good because you have all these experts that you all can rely on to do the investigation, to find out who's at fault. Talk about your team.
So we have an amazing team. We have quick response teams that can get out there quick. We have accident reconstructionists. We have human factor experts. If there's a lost wage component, we have vocational economists that are going to extrapolate lost wages from a given situation. So I could go on and on about our experts, but we got the best in the business, and we put a lot of confidence in them as well.
And you guys are truly available 24/7.
Truly,
so it
whether
doesn't
we
matter
like it
if
or
this
not.
happens at
Yes,
3 in the morning.
Yes, we're here, and we're gonna want to investigate quickly, and we understand that how important the time component is that we just discussed. So we have to be here for people. That's the only way to do it.
Yeah,
so,
and you've got lots and lots of experience. You've even
You've been on the other side.
You've been on the other side.
I did defense work for the first 8 years of my career, so I saw how that worked and was involved in the inside discussions on how to evaluate, defend cases, and it's certainly helpful now.
Absolutely, yeah. Now, you've also gotten married, and you had a fantastic wedding. And so you and I need to talk about how you did that and had such a beautiful wedding.
You're going to have to talk to her, because she planned that whole thing. Yes. I wish I could take credit for it, but if I took credit for it, I would get yelled at as soon as I leave here. For sure.
Well, you have a beautiful family.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
And so continued success for this year. And if people need an attorney.
And to you too.
Thank you so much. We highly recommend Justin Peterson of the Peterson Law Office. And we're going to have all of the information there on the screen for you.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom was sponsored by Peterson Law Office.